This is a tutorial about making lacing tallies. Tallies are really important in our work. They're essential, they're eye-catching moments, and they're structuring the lace. So I want to show you my method, how I'm making my tallies. It's, I think, straightforward, and that helps you hopefully making tallies. Welcome to my channel. My name is Uli Baisi. I'm a contemporary lace maker. I want to show you several kind of tallies. So I started with a gimp, which is not really a tallie but related, where I'm holding 2 bobbins and weaving one around. Then I'm going forward with a tallie which looks like a leaf, and I'm holding 3 bobbins and one is weaving around, and then I'm making a square one, also with 2 pairs, and then I will go on with making a tallie and with 3 pairs. So I'm holding 5 bobbins and one is going around. I'm using pearl cotton that you can see it better, and I'm using bobbins which are normally used for hanging bobbins in Germany, but you can make it with all other ways of bobbins. Please subscribe to my channel, and hope you give me a thumbs up and enjoy the tutorial now. I'm making a gimp now. For the gimp I'm holding 2 bobbins and 1 bobbin is moving around. The ones I'm holding with my left hand, they are building the structure, and with the right hand this is being shown afterwards. Here you see how I'm holding the bobbins in my left hand. Then you can see now how I'm weaving around. So you see I'm going over the first and under the second, and on the way back I'm going over and then under. So it's a weaving around, and it's pretty straightforward, and that's the way I'm also making the tallies. Here you see now 4 bobbins lying in front of me. 3 I will need to make a tallie in form of a leaf, and 1 is going to the side, which will be the visible one, and so I'm showing you how to hold it. You take your left hand, or if you're left-handed, your right hand, and hold these bobbins like this. The easiest way is if you're putting the ones outside first and then the middle one at last. And because of holding them, one will be higher up than the others. Now you see in the moment that I'm starting with a loop. It's not by the book, but it is very helpful to get all the threads together, to have a good start. And you see now I'm weaving it around. So with the first one I'm going over, then I'm going under, over, under, over, under. So it's really a weaving what you do, and the tension you can do with your left hand holding the bobbins, and also how you fix the thread, how you pull the thread. In this way you can form the tallie. I've made a drawing, yes, and now I'm finished with this tallie, and I will fix it with a loop. Oh, I made it wrong, so I fix it with a loop again, then it will not spread. So that's very easy. Here you see me changing the color. You can choose whatever bobbin you want to make the tally. And you see again the up and down, the weaving through, which is quite natural because the bobbin in the middle is higher up, so that is really like a little bit like a warp. Here again the loop. I'm making the loop mostly to not through the right one, but all the others on the left. Here is the pin. Now I'm changing into a square tally. I'm setting the pins. The pins will make the form, help to secure the form. Here you see it again, where I'm putting the pin in, and between the green and the white pin, I'm putting in now that the green is from the blue tally, and now there's the white, and between the white and the red, the tally will be fixed in a form. So I'm starting also, I'm cheating a bit. I'm making a loop again, or only through the very right one, and hanging the loop over the pin. And the same I'm doing with the very left one, and hanging this on the pin. So I'm again weaving through like over, under, over, under, over, under. And the pins are securing really the form. You just have to see that you're keeping the form, not to pull too much the thread and not too less. And here you see I'm finished with it, and I'm again doing a loop on top of the pins, over the pins, which is securing the form. I'm making another square one, and I'm swapping the color. You can choose whatever bobbin you want for making the tally. That doesn't make a difference. The important thing is that you fix the form with the pins, and then you can go around. So this is very important for working with color, because they are so eye-catching, and very important is then your choice of color, which one you want to make. You see, that goes very easy, very fast. And I hate if the lace is coming up, so I just did pin it down. So you see, now the pins are coming in. I'm just getting some pins. You see very good the pins which have pulled the lace down, the tallies down. Here are the two pins for securing it at the end. There is the loop over the pin, and here you see the loop over on the other side. So this is secure, and I can lay down the bobbins. If you are disturbed when you are making a tally, don't worry, you can just lay down the pins, and that will not destroy your work. You can just go on. Here you see I'm setting a pin, and I'm having 3 pairs. That means 5 plus 1 bobbins. I'm taking them all into one, the 5 into one, into my left hand, as I did with 3. You just need a bit of exercise, then it is not a problem. You see, the length, the tension of the bobbins have to be exactly the same, so it's very important that you are having them at the exact length. See, I'm still on this. Yeah, so because with the tension you make also the form. That's really important. How much tension you have on this hand also, this is coming to the form, because if you're having a strong tension, then the lace, the tallie will spread out. Some problems with the working pair, with the working bobbin, and another one with a tension. So you see me here holding all 5. There's a drawing, and I'm starting with the loop again. I'm going through the 4 left bobbins with a loop, just to start them all fixed together. And now I'm starting with going over the 2, under the 3rd, and over the 4th and 5th. Because I have so many bobbins, the tallie would spread out really fast. We want to have it smaller at the beginning, and we are only going, we are putting 1 and 2 as one, and 4 and 5 as one. And now you see I'm going over, under, over and under the last 2. Here again, I'm going over the first 2, over the under the middle one, and oh, that's too fast for me. You see it. Over the 2, under the 3rd, over the 4th and 5th, over the 3rd, and under the 4th, 1 and 2. Again, here you see it again. And now I've changed, because the lace is far wide enough, and I'm going to each bobbin separately. I'm weaving this around, so that's over, under, over, under, over. You see this? Yeah, and push the tallie again and again together to become really dense, because that really looks nicer than it is loose. Here you can see me doing it with a little bit more speed. And soonish I will put some pins, and quite often when I'm putting the pins in, that's the end of this kind of tallie. I just wanted to show you that you can make it square, and now I'm putting some pins in to make the tallie look square. I hope you like this video. Give me thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hope to see you again. Here is I I've put the pins in and now it is finished. I say goodbye, have a good time lacing.